It's a 2006 Honda Ridgeline. It's where tough and intelligent merge, providing a ride that's so smooth you'll think the world's flat. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, front and rear tow hooks, AM/FM stereo, integrated storage, front heated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. Cars.com finds the ride is comfortably quiet. Rubber isolates front and rear subframes to help keep road harshness out of the cabin. Lightweight, noise-absorbing materials are used for the dashboard insulation, carpet, and behind the rear seats. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.